Affiliate marketing. It's free and easy to sign up. It's a great way to make some passive money online, and within time, it can even become your full income. But there is a few things that you want to know before you start your affiliate marketing journey, or even if you already started, here's a couple tips that would have helped me out if I knew sooner. And if you're new here, welcome to Online Muscle Hustle, where all we do is find different ways to make money online. So let's get to it. If you're just now getting started with affiliate marketing, you're on a great path to set yourself up for a great future. Affiliate marketing is well worth over $12 billion now, and is only expected to grow. A lot of different brands and popular companies use affiliate marketing. Even now, 81% of brands rely on affiliate marketing for their profits. And since 2015, affiliate marketing have seen a 200% growth rate. What I like most about affiliate marketing is the possibilities are endless. During the start, you're probably not going to see much money, if any at all. But within time, if you work on it a couple hours a day or even more, you're definitely going to see some profit. There's affiliates that make $10 a month, and some that even make over $100,000 a month. So week after week, month after month, year after year, your profits are only going to go up. And there's 5 different affiliate marketing categories that we fit under. The first one is influencers. The second one is bloggers. The third one is paid advertisement. The fourth one is building an email list. And the last one is large media websites. Influencers, this is basically where you have your product or your affiliate link of a product you're trying to promote. Let's say I was trying to promote some shoes. I would go to Instagram, Facebook, or any other social media platform, find an influencer who account is revolved around shoes, who has at least 10,000 followers. It can range anywhere from 10,000 to 1 million followers. It all depends on what your budget, and I would negotiate a price for them to advertise my shoe. I will give them my link, tell them a few details about the shoes, and once they advertise them and people click on that link and purchase it, I would get a commission, and if I would give some to the influencer for promoting that product. And since they have a large following, I'm probably going to get a few sales. That's the first way. And the second way is by becoming a blogger. Bloggers mainly use websites and promote different products by just writing basically a review on whatever product they're trying to promote. Let's say I use shoes again. Basically what I would be doing is writing a review on it, telling people why they would want to buy the shoes. Is it comfortable? Is it a good running shoe? Can you wear it all day? Just basically writing a review on key details on why you would want to purchase this. The third type is paid advertisement. I don't recommend starting this off if you're just now starting, but if you do know about paid advertisement, it can really return your profits. Paid advertisements is usually running Facebook ads, Instagram ads, or any other social media platform to get to a bigger audience. You will pay Facebook a fixed price every day, and they will promote your products to the audience you choose. Say I was using shoes again. I would target that audience so I will be able to make more sales. Because if I'm trying to promote it to like dog lovers or people that's not looking for shoes, I wouldn't get as many sales. And using paid advertisement, you need to be very specific. Next is building an email list. Building an email list takes time, but it is very rewarding in the end. Once you build up an email list, you basically have their email forever, and you can use different websites like MailChimp to build up your email list. That's a pretty great one if you were thinking about building an email list. They're free starting off, and they only cost like $10 a month if you want to pay for a plan. You can customize different emails and send it out however you want. You can put it on logos or pretty much anything you want. And the last one is by using large media websites. There's a couple of different ways you can approach this. The first way is using a website like media.com. You can use their big name to write blogs on different topics, and you can put your affiliate links up in there promoting your products as well. Another way, if you have a website, you can buy backlinks from big websites to help your website grow in the search ranking. Or you can have a large media website, reach out to them and have them write a blog on whatever product that you want. And it does get quite expensive if you don't have the funds for it. So I would prefer using a free ways if I'm just starting off. And I want to add in, pick a topic that you're interested in. When you're first starting off, you might pick just a bunch of different products that might be spammy or crappy, and in retrospect, you're just kind of wasting your time. But if you pick a category or topic that you're interested in, it's going to be way better for you. You're going to learn much more. When I first started off, I used products off of ClickBank, and for a beginner, I kind of don't recommend this due to the fact they have a lot of spammy products and products you just don't want to promote. And it's harder to promote products because people don't know about the brand. If they don't know about the brand, they can't really build trust to them. But if you use an affiliate program like Amazon Associates, everybody knows Amazon, so there's much more trustworthy, so you'll be getting more sales. You might not be making as much money, but at least in the beginning you'll be making some sales until you develop the skills on how to promote more products. So I do recommend promoting Amazon products or popular brand names like Nike or Dell laptops or something like that. Just pick something you're interested in. And if you've seen people that's doing like 5-hour work weeks or 10-hour work weeks, it's probably taking them years to get to that point. And up front, when you're first starting, affiliate marketing is a lot of work. You might not be able to see it in the beginning that your work will pay off in the end, but it's definitely there. You'll be learning more, you'll be creating a bigger audience. Whatever you're doing, it's going to help you in the long run. A lot of people that start affiliate marketing give up too early. Only 5% of people that start affiliate marketing succeed, and I really think it's because people just give up too early, because it does take time to get it started. Once you get over the learning curve that's in affiliate marketing, it's become way easier and way clearer on what you need to do. Because no matter what level of affiliate marketing you at, you have to generate a lot of traffic / customers, because the average conversion rate is 1 to 3% per 100 clicks you receive. And there's two different types of people when it comes to affiliate marketing. There's the person that starts off that goes in head first, or there's people that try to target wherever they shoot at. For me, when I first started, I just went in head first. I was doing everything. I was trying to focus on everything, building an email list, going for influencers, being a blogger. What I recommend is just focusing on one. If you want to be a blogger and just create a website and blog off of that, do that. If you want to try to get into influencers, pay them, try to do that. But focus on one thing. It will be way better for you in learning. And stay positive. Don't think about the money starting off, because it won't come for a while. Try to think of it as a hobby that you're getting better at over time. And yes, the money will come eventually, but starting off, you might see a few cents here and there. It took me like 3 months to get 39 cents. So, well, the 39 cent, the profits are there. I was pretty excited about that, but yeah, it's not good profits in the beginning until you get over that learning curve. So if you do take anything out of this video, just remember to stay positive and make sure you keep your head up, because you're going to learn, and you might waste some money, you might waste some time, you might think, but that time and that money will be for your learning curve. And once you get over that, I guarantee you the profits will come. And just like that, we have made it to the end of the video. I hope you was able to find value out of this video. And if you was, hit that like and subscribe button, because all we do here at Online Muscle Hustle is find different ways we can make money online. I hope you are able to enjoy the rest of your day and start your affiliate marketing journey off the right way.